A standard pocket, just like the one shown here, is any pocket where a contour shape is cut to a specified depth into a part and has a flat bottom. The part shown here is a turbo housing for a motorcycle, and I'll use the standard pocket to clean out the area. To add a pocket toolpath, I'll select the 2D toolpaths and then pocket. As the chain, I'll select an edge on the bottom of the pocket. Scroll down and select Propagate along tool plane. Then I'll select the Chains tab and chain 1 to check the arrows are pointing in the correct direction. With these correct, I'll accept this selection. Next, I'll select the Tool tab and press the button to select the library tool, filter, none, and now I can select the flat bottom end mill as the tool type. To search for, I'll set the tool diameter equal to 1 inch and accept this search criteria. I'll select the 1 inch end mill, and again I'll accept this. Since the material is aluminum and I'm using a carbide end mill, I'll set the cutting speed to 1100, the feed per tooth to 10 thousandths. I'll enable the rapid retract and set the plunge rate to 50. Because this is a closed pocket, the tool will be plunging into solid material, and I'll add the comment, rough pocket. I'll select the cut parameters next. From the pocket type, I'll select the down arrow, and you can see that there are 5 different pocket machining types. Each will be discussed, but for now, I'll select the standard. In the cut parameters, I'll accept the default value and leave the checkbox for Create Additional Finish Operation unchecked. This option will be discussed later in great detail. Enabling this option will create a finished toolpath which will clean up the 50 thousandths on the walls and the 50 thousandths on the floors, with the same cutter being used for this toolpath. This option must be checked the first time the Pocket Toolpath parameter window opens if you wish to use it. If the toolpath settings are accepted and the window closed, then when they're reopened by selecting the operations parameter, it will be grayed out and unavailable. To demonstrate this, I'll accept the remaining default settings and exit the toolpath window. I'll select the parameters for this operation, then the cut parameters, and you can see it's grayed out, no longer acceptable. I'll exit the toolpath window again. Then right-click on the toolpath in the Operation Manager window and select Delete. When asked if I'm sure, I'll choose Yes. I'll select the Pocket Toolpath again, chain the bottom, and accept the chaining selection. I'll select the Tool tab, and the 1 inch end mill will still be present. I'll set up the speeds and feeds again and add the comment. Then select the cut parameters. And this time I'll enable the Create Additional Finish operation. In the next lesson I'll discuss the roughing operations, and later I'll discuss the additional finishing operation.